Hello students, welcome to this video. So in this video, I am going to discuss about Hindi Vidya Prachar Samitis College of Law. In this video, we'll see how many seats are available in this college का admission process क्या है, and how much score is required in CET law examination to get admission in this college. So this college is located in Ghatkopar, which is in Mumbai, and this college is also affiliated to the University of Mumbai. So now talking about the number of seats available in this college. So in terms of 3 years LLB program, this college offer 120 seats, and also for 5 years integrated LLB program, this college offer 120 seats. So now talking about the expected score required in 2021 examination. So if you are targeting this law college, then in terms of 3 years LLB program, you need to score more than 90 marks out of total 150 marks. And in terms of 5 years integrated LLB program, you need to score more than 67 marks out of total 150 marks to get admission in this college. So in case if you have started your preparation and you want to know your preparation level, so for that we have launched the mock test on our application. You can download the application from Play Store, and also the application link is available in the description box. So you can download it and you can attempt this mock test, and then you can come to know your preparation level. So now talking about the admission process. So basically there are two examinations. If you are preparing for 3 years LLB program, you need to appear for 3 years Maharashtra Law CET exam. And if you are preparing for 5 years integrated LLB program, then you need to appear for 5 years Maharashtra Law CET exam. So first step comes here is to prepare for the examination. Uske baad you need to register yourself for the examination. Then you get the hall ticket. हॉल टिकट में जो एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर होता है, आपको वो एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर पे जाके एंट्रेंस एग्जाम देना होता है. देन यू गेट योर रिजल्ट्स, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट एक ऑनलाइन सेंट्रलाइज्ड एडमिशन प्रोसेस होता है जिसको हम कैप राउंड भी बोलते हैं, वेयर यू आर सपोज टू सिलेक्ट द कॉलेज प्रेफरेंसेस, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट आपको एक कॉलेज अलोकेट होता है. आपको वो कॉलेज में जाके डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिशन करना होता है, एंड देन फाइनली यू गेट एडमिशन इन दैट पर्टिकुलर लॉ कॉलेज. सो दिस वाज द एडमिशन प्रोसेस. So in case if you have any doubts or any questions, you can post your question in the comment section, or you can directly contact us on 8383818888. You can also access to our website, which is www.beducare.com. And in case if you have not started your preparation, you can start your preparation for CET law examination with us. We are coaching classes for Maharashtra CET law exam. We provide classroom coaching in Mumbai. We provide live classes. We also provide video lecture programs, and we also provide books as well as mock test. So our application is available on Play Store, and it is also available on Apple Store. So you can download the application and give the mock test. In case if you wish to know more about this college, and if you wish to know more about Maharashtra CET law exam, then you can contact us on this number. You can call or WhatsApp on this number. Thank you so much for watching this video.